Every property that we do a report for, we have to go and do a site inspection. So that's mandatory of what we do. Okay, so MCG was established in 2011. Our directors have been in the tax industry and the construction industry for about 25 years prior to that. So they've been working, we have 9 offices, remote offices locations across Australia. So we are a national company and they were established in 2011. Yeah, okay. So when we go to site, it's all about our exceptional customer service. So the people that go to site are actually trained to look for those extra deductions. So when then they bring the information back to our team, they'll then review that information and then they'll provide the report according to what the client needs. So it's about understanding where the client needs to be. So we do ask some questions leading up to that to help us dig and find that information to gain their maximum deduction on their property. Yeah, no, so the report does last for 40 years. So it's a once-off fee of $600 for a residential tax depreciation report. And as I said, it does go for 40 years. If they do have any amendments or renovations, we do ask them to reach out to us and we can review that for them. And if it needs to be upgraded or updated, we will let them know.